Hi all, hope you are doing well. Welcome back to my channel. It's that time of the month again, and this is my August 2021 income report. So if you're interested in how that went for me and a few tips, then watch this video. As always, I split up my video into various parts, so if you want to skip ahead to a certain section, you can go ahead. So I'm first going to be talking about the August 2021 income, best books, then ads, and you can find the timestamps in the description below. Okay, so getting straight into it, my total income for the month of August 2021 is $1,273.84. I'm really pleased with this, as this is an improvement on the previous month and also shows my books are selling and ranking well for Q4. So hopefully over the next couple months my sales should double or potentially even triple, and I'm looking forward to that. So my best day for August 2021 was the 19th, and on that day I earned $73.98, and my lowest day was the 21st and I earned $23.76. So overall I'm getting sales every single day, and my average would probably be somewhere between $30 to $40. So during this month as well, I was only able to create 10 books, which all had sales. But again, it just shows that each month, if you're able to build and create books that are able to kind of sell all year round, and there is demand for them, that these previous books can keep selling well, plus your new books, and it kind of just keeps on creating this snowball effects. So definitely just keep on concentrating on selling quality books. So let's look at how many books that I sold. I'm just going to click on this button here and go to books sold. So you can see that I sold 721 books this month. And this is probably my highest amount of books I've sold so far this year. However, if I was to find out my average royalty per book, what I can do is divide the total amount of book royalties by the total amount of books sold, and this should give me the average book royalty. Okay, so using the calculator, I'm going to do $1,273.84 divided by 721 books, and that should equal 1.766. But I'm going to round that up to $1.77, and I think this is quite low, to be honest. So for the next month, what I am going to do is, especially when creating more books, is to increase my list price for a lot of books that I am creating, just so that I can earn more royalties for the books that I am selling. Just before we take a look at the best books sold, I do like to have a look at the marketplace stats, just to see which marketplaces sold the best for me. So I'm just going to click on marketplace stats and then select last month to get August 2021. Then press search database to get the data. So you can see Amazon.com kind of dominated the marketplace sales with roughly 63%, then followed by the UK with 30%, then Canada with roughly 1.5%. And then after this, we see Germany, Italy, Japan, Spain, and Australia with really small percentages. But again, it's good to be getting sales in other places, as this contributes to your overall income at the end of the day. But I think last month, the major marketplace was actually the UK, so it is nice to have that change, going back to Amazon.com with the highest sale percentage. And I think most likely with a lot of the books that I am targeting, especially, hopefully this marketplace will dominate for the rest of the coming month. So to have a look at the best books for the month of August, I just click on book stats. I'll give that a moment to load, and then again I just change it to last month. Click search database, and just scrolling down again. So leading the way this month is an 18-month planner calendar. These do really well for Q4, so you really want to try to add these to your portfolio of books. Following this is a logbook, and this is my best-selling logbook that I am running ads on, but this has been selling really well all year round and is a consistent seller for me. The third and fourth book and the fifth, again, these are all 18-month planner calendars. As I've said before, these do really well, so you want to niche these down. Maybe look at animals, jobs, or even something like inspirational quotes. So the sixth and seventh book are also 18-month planner calendars, and then following that we've got my colouring books there. Again, these are really niche down in the sport niche. Just summing up all of my books, they do look quite even. There is no real bestseller, so I don't have to worry about anything happening to one particular book. So I am believing that these books will continue to consistently sell well. I was running ads for the month of August, and what we're going to do is take a look at my ad campaigns for the countries I have been running ads in. So for the US, I have already got it loaded, and I'm just going to click up here. So you can see my ad spend, the sales, and the ACOS, which is just the advertising cost of sales. And I did achieve a really low ACOS in the US. This is just because I targeted a few specific books to some unsaturated niches, and these books were already selling quite well for me. So then I've been running automatic ads on those books, and you can see from a few of the ad campaigns below as to how successful they have been, whereas it has been the opposite in the UK. And so my UK ads actually have not been profitable at all, and you can see down here below. However, I'm not really too worried about this, as quite a few of these books usually sell quite well for me all year round. So I'm just making sure especially that these books are going to rank well for Q4, so I'm going to continue to run these ads. I will see how they go for the next month for me, but I'm not going to worry about them too much for the moment, because these books have been selling really well for me kind of in the previous month. So what we can do is, first of all, we can take for the US, my ad spend, and I've already put it into this Google Sheet document, and that was my US ad spend of $182.64. Because I'm based in the UK, I'm subject to a 20% what's called value added tax. So you actually have to add 20% on to your ads, so it comes up to $219 and roughly say 17 cents. And then for my ad campaign in the UK, it came to £84.59. But I'm just going to convert this to dollars just simply using Google. So that comes to $111.74. Again, I'm just going to put that into my spreadsheet just here, and you can see what that comes to when we add the 20% VAT also. And then I've also added some of these subscriptions I have. So this includes Creativefabrica, this includes Canva, and then this also includes KDP Champ. I didn't outsource anything this month, so there are no costs for that. So to see the total amount of expenses in dollars is $394 and roughly 60 cents. And then the total income for the month of August 2021 is $876.24. Thanks for taking the time to watch this video and just being interested in my journey. You can check out my previous KDP income reports as well. And if you are interested in running ads, I've also got a video on that you can take a look at. So until next time, thanks.